And this is the final goodbye from Matheran. Right now. Hello, good morning. We are on the way to Matheran. Apparently this is my first time ever. Yeah, can you believe that? Never been to Matheran. Anyway, so Jack is driving, as you can see. Behind me is hello, hi. Behind me are the little monkeys. Hello, Vian.
Hello.
And little monkey's mother is there, Annie and Goody.
What is this toll? I've never paid money on this toll.
Why our car is blacklisted, by the way. Seriously. Yeah, I had 150 bucks. So 150 plus 65, what's the math? 105? 115? 205. Math is not my strongest. So a quick update, we've stopped right before the Karjat Ghat when we take left from the old highway. We've stopped here at Hotel New Sai Shraddha. You can see it right there. They specially made this lovely Jain vada pav for me and Goody. And we had this lovely chai. बहुत बढ़िया चाय बनाई थी right there. Sai Ichha Amrutalai. So when you come to Sai Ichha Amrutalai, you definitely make sure that you have some tea there. It's really nice. Like you have to come and try it. How was your vada pav? Kanda bhaji. Oh, you are having kanda bhaji. Rian, what did you have? Samosa. Acha, you wanna have samosa? Aryan, कैसे खा दूँ बेटा? कैसा था vada pav? कैसा था? Goody, how was the vada pav?
Very yummy. We need to visit for Jain vada pav.
So we've just reached the parking lot of Matheran. As you can see behind me, it's completely full. So apparently everybody had the same idea like us to visit Matheran on this weekend. Jack मेरे साथ आगे चल रहा है, हाफ वे उसने चलाया था. आप गाड़ी लगाओगे पीछे की तरफ गाड़ी लगाओगे और वहाँ से चलते चलते आना है to the main entrance. Gaadi parking is around 140 rupees. So, and make sure you have chutta. Sometimes they don't have chutta. As soon as you park your car, there is restroom. And this is the main entrance from where you enter this amazing reserve, eco-friendly Matheran. So you have to show your entry fee pass. Apparently Rigved had already taken it for us.
$500 if you don't wear a mask.
Well, I was not wearing a mask before, so yeah. भैया हॉर्स का क्या चार्ज है?
घोड्याचे 750 अलेक्झांडर पण तिकडे
650 until Alexander, which is approximately what, 45 minutes. I'll pick up my bag and my tripod. Oh, this bag is heavy as fuck. On my right, it's Rigved and Vinita, Aqua Librans. Go check out their channel on YouTube. They'll be also posting this travel video along with me. Hopefully they'll post it first.
सर थोड़ा सा आपका भी फुटेज अगर मिल जाए तो कृपा बनी रहेगी.
Definitely. Vicky is taking train tickets for everybody right there. Train ticket का शुल्क है फर्स्ट क्लास अगर जाना है तो 305 फॉर अडल्ट, सेकेंड क्लास जाना है तो 45। 305 फर्स्ट क्लास में आपको खाना भी दिया जाएगा, एक पिज़्ज़ा, अमूल कूल और हेड मसाज।
Is that true?
Buy a ticket and check it out. Just kidding. सेंसर बोर्ड कट करेगा। Walking for 5 minutes from the train station. If you forget your trekking shoes or rubber shoes or anything, there are a lot of places here where you can buy it here. If you come in monsoon, there is also a poncho available here, rain cover for your bags and shoes and whatnot. So you can plan an impromptu trip whenever you want with your friends and family. So in today's digital India, if you don't have cash, you can survive anywhere. My friend here is on a motto, like on a task that he'll only carry 20 rupees cash in Matheran, and he's gonna pay everything digitally. Even in the
you for the Shauchalay.
Oh, he's used 5 rupees out of the 20 rupees for the washroom. So he's having only 15 rupees. So yeah, if you have Google Pay and UPI and everything, so it works here. So need not worry if you don't have cash. You can carry light, travel light, pack your bags light and get shoes and everything here. From railway station approximately 25 minutes ये एक साइन आता है for Alexander, रामबाग, लिटिल चौक, बिग चौक, वन ट्री हिल. सो यहाँ से लेफ़्ट होकर हमें उस तरफ जाना है. एंड इफ़ यू सी देयर इज़ अ 3-4 जंक्शन हियर, और वहाँ पर पुलिस स्टेशन है, शार्लट लेक है, एको पॉइंट, लुइसा पॉइंट. ये बॉम्बे हॉलीडे होम याद रखिए. यहाँ से यू कैन टर्न लेफ्ट एंड अनदर 10-15 मिनट्स होपफुली टू अलेक्जेंडर हेरिटेज रिसोर्ट. After 20-25 minutes of walk approximately from the station, maybe 30 minutes if you walk slowly, finally reached the Alexander Heritage and Rainforest Resort. You can see it's right there. And we'll just go check in the rooms, sit, relax and plan the day ahead. Reach the reception. What's your name, sir? आपका नाम? सचिन. यहाँ पर आपको ID देने के बाद रूम की कीज़ मिलेगी and then you can safely check into your rooms. The resort is really clean and we are looking forward for the stay. So check in करने के बाद we've got these 2 big rooms. Apparently one room is gonna be for the kids and the moms. And this is the sinners room as you call it. यहाँ पर पार्टी होगी. एंट्री पे आते ही we have 3 beds, 3 cozy beds. यहाँ पर Annie is enjoying the delicious नींबू पानी. Cheers. There is one bed here, a bed and a restroom, and that's me. So it's 1:30 in the afternoon, day 1. We've just assembled outside for lunch and everybody is hungry. देखते हैं, यहाँ का सुना है खाना तो अच्छा है. So खाने के बाद ही पता चलेगा खाना कैसा है. तू एडजस्टेबल नहीं, जरा भीतर अंगूठा बता दे रहा. It's almost 8:30 in the night, and you can see in the daytime this is a wonderful, peaceful, quiet forest. But in the night, it just turns a little into something different. I'll show you. Turn around and see this beautiful setup they've done. A small antique-looking tent, and they have been very kind to specially arranged this table for us right here to have a little party and commit some sins tonight. So they have a camping season going on for the next month. So you guys can also check it out. It's quite reasonable. The food is amazing. And especially the people out here, they are absolutely wonderful. आप उनको कभी भी कुछ बोलो, लेके आओ, ये लेके आओ, तो they are like really helpful. They just are always on their toes and very ready to help. We'll have a little small party session right here. And yeah, that's about it. Morning. We just got up 10 minutes back, waiting for the breakfast. After breakfast, we'll freshen up and head with the kids to the lake, maybe take a dip in the lake and come back, have lunch, rest for a while, and then maybe again go to some echo point. Monkeys, yeah, a lot of monkeys, man, lot of monkeys. Check it out. They're just waiting right outside our doors. That's the door. That's the mother monkey and the little monkey. They are waiting. They have been jumping since early morning on the roof right there. Breakfast हम लोग वहाँ करने जाएंगे. And I'll show you one thing where we partied last night. Special tent and our special table. And that's the birthday boy जो कल आए थे late but they made it. Birthday boy's wife Tanvi and Mr. Dojo right there. He was there with us in the night trek. भाई night trek कैसा लगा आप लोगों को कल? मजा आ गया ना नाइट ट्रैक. All right, I'll see you guys at breakfast. Bye. It's 11:36. We are 15 minutes behind schedule to leave for the trek. There was discussion कि ऑफ रूट जाना है कि फिर एक्चुअल जो लोग जाते हैं जहाँ से लेक पर वहाँ पर जाना है. सो मेजॉरिटी डिसाइड हुआ है कि भाई रेगुलर ट्रैक से ही जाएंगे बिकॉज इट विल टेक ओनली हाफ एन आवर और ऑफ रूट विल टेक अराउंड 1.5 hours. बट बच्चे हैं साथ में सो everyone is not too keen to take the off route route. Oh well. So after 30 minutes of trail, we've reached our so-called secret spot on the lake, on the Charlotte Lake. So here you see all the kids and everybody enjoying a little break. Kids are having fun throwing stones in the lake. And the rest of the gang is right there. They're having fun. We are heading back to the hotel after the trek. जाएंगे होटल पे और खाना खाएंगे. थोड़ी देर सो जाएंगे. पावर नैप ज़रूरी है. So मिस्टर ऋग्वेद सड़मरकर का सोल निकल गया है. Not like soul, वो जूते का सोल. So he's come up with a very brilliant technique. I'll show you.
But
check it out.
देखते हैं अभी काम करता है कि नहीं करता है.
अच्छा, you put your laces beneath the sole of the shoe.
सेंटर में ताकि फ्रिक्शन हो के टूट नहीं जाए.
नाइस.
Rinse.
वाओ, दैट्स ब्रिलियंट मैन. सो ये टिप आप याद रखना. ऐसा आप कर सकते हो अगर कभी ट्रैकिंग में आपका सोल निकल गया, जूते का सोल निकल गया तो.
कितने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे यहाँ. शानदार ख्याल रखते हैं.
जय हो. ऋग्वेद ने डायलॉग भी मारा. क्या व्लॉगर बनेगी रे तू.
That was me, that was me.
The most satisfying or enriching experience walking in the forest by yourself is this complete silence. you do not get it in the concrete jungle. Some people do play music while going on the trek, but it's as a personal choice. I would not play any kind of music, or maybe just play some meditation music which helps you calm down. Cheers guys.
Friendship.
Good evening. The time is 5:30. We just got up from deep slumber. It's so peaceful here that as soon as you hit the bed, you just go to sleep and you just don't want to wake up. It's nice, cool breeze, cold environment, and we've just ordered black coffee and some tea. बैठे हैं मेरे साथ Vicky, Jackie and Amay. Amay apparently slept here on the chair. When I came here, he was just sleeping. Evening का plans था जो Echo Point जाना था. I think अब नहीं होगा because everybody is still sleeping and nobody wants to get up. Good morning. The last day in Matheran. We just had breakfast. यहाँ पे खाना बहुत ही अच्छा मिलता है, ये तो बाकी मानना पड़ेगा. अभी यहाँ पे बैग्स हम लोग रिसेप्शन में रखेंगे एंड वहाँ से हम लोग थोड़ी देर बैग्स रख के विल गो अगेन टू द अलेक्जेंडर पॉइंट बिकॉज परसों जो रात को ट्रैकिंग की थी अंधेरे में की थी, सो वी डू नॉट नो हाउ द एक्चुअल पॉइंट इज. हेलो गाइस, ऑल रेडी टू गो? सब लोग ने बैग्स पैक कर लिए. किड्स आर ऑल चार्ज्ड अप. बाय बाय, मैं आ रहा हूँ साथ में. And we are taking a offbeat route which is not traveled much. As the saying goes, take the road less traveled. Guys, it was worth coming here to Alexander Point in the daytime, of course. Just 7 minutes from the resort. You can see right behind me this beautiful valley. Oh my god, just look at it. Shades of green, different shades of green. हम लोग निकल चुके हैं हमारी मंजिल की ओर, back to home. Packed our bags and ready to go. That's a song, I guess. Oh well. Our stay here at Alexander Heritage Resort was really good. Kids friendly. There is huge playgrounds to play around for the kids. A lot of small trails to walk around the resort, and the food is top notch. It's only veg, and for Jain people also they give delicious Jain food. The team of Yash, Jainil, Sachin, Somnath Bhai, they're all these youngsters, always ready to help. You know, they help you anytime, whenever, anything you want. So their service 5-star, food 5-star. Rooms may improvement, but if you're with your friends and family, I think it should not be a problem. So yeah, that's it from the Matheran vlog. Thank you for watching and staying with us. And if you've seen through all the way to the video, I'm sure you guys liked the video. Please kindly like, share and subscribe and comment, and do let me know how do you guys like it. Until then, onwards and upwards. Take care. Bye-bye. Let her come here. Let's see. What happened, Goody? What happened?
टट्टी वाला चश्मा.
It fell inside?
The hole. अंदर पूरा.
ट्रेन में चढ़ते समय हमारे साथ एक दुर्घटना हो गई है. मास्क का, मुंबई की लोकल ट्रेन का मज़ा लेना है तो यहाँ पर भी मिलता है. भैया थोड़ा खिसक जाओ, थोड़ा चौथे का सीट है, थोड़ा खिसक जाओ, जगह दीजिए हमें. टेलीपोर्टेशन नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? नहीं, चलते इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये ट्रांसपोर्ट. ड्रोन शॉट है, ड्रोन शॉट. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
पूछ रहा है.
Are you guys ready?
नहीं है ना इधर. Yay!
All right, let's go.
Yeah, it did not sound confident, but let's see. कोशिश करेंगे.
Heading into the darkness. Let's see. कैसे?
डूड बंदर लोग पत्थर पे
नहीं रे, बंदर लोग कभी पत्थर नहीं फेंकता है भाई। बंदर लोग पत्थर कभी नहीं फेंकता
ये
है।
फेंक रहा।
तुम लोग फेंकता रहेगा कोई। Chaos in the morning, बहुत भूखे हैं सब। I'm sorry, it didn't came out right. They are very hungry.
कौन बाकी है फ्रेश होने को?
After approximately अभी होटल पे जाकर स्ट्रेस ही लेने वाली 3-4 घंटा। मेरा बैटरी खत्म हो गया। ऋग्वेद ने ऐसा बोला, ऋग्वेद का स्टोल निकल गया।
I think my face but 360 everybody's face.
अरे बेला
You want to eat Maggie also?
जाओ रे।
सेठ क्या बोल रहा है? रॉयल सर्कस स्टार्ट होगा अब मुंबई की ओर।
मम पापा थोड़ी देर लेंगे फिर